there, my name's Jenny. Today's short video is a tech tip on your sewing machine. Did you know that all sewing machines have upper thread tension either here or on a dial in the front? There's some tricks to learning how to thread your machine with that upper tension assembly. Let's learn how. Today's video we'll be learning about threading your top thread. This is on a Bernina 435, but it does apply to any sewing machine out there. The upper tension assembly in this machine is located right here, and you want to make sure that tension assembly is open when you're threading. That means your presser foot should be up. When your presser foot's up, this tension assembly is open to accept the thread. Now you might be wondering, well, does this apply to my sewing machine? This machine has the tension assembly located in the front. It's a spring system outside of the front of the cover. So does this one. Same rules apply. This one, the tension assembly is located in the front, but hidden behind the covers. Same with this one. This would also apply when you're embroidering. Here's a diagram of a basic sewing machine. The upper tension assembly is up at the top, and it's the first part where the thread needs to go in very smoothly. Let's take a closer look. On this machine, the tension assembly is located right here. You can see that the discs where the thread is going to locate are a little bit soft and moving around. When I can move them around with my finger, that means that the tension discs are open. When I lower the presser foot, I'm using the lever in the back, and now my presser foot is lowered. Now the tension assembly is nice and stiff. It has created pressure on the thread. So when you're threading the top, you want these discs open. Your thread will lay inside of those discs, and when you lower the foot, you'll have tension. You're going to thread the thread in the first guide, and I'm kind of flossing it like dental floss. Then it's going to sit right into that tension assembly, and you'll see it will accept it. Then you're going to do the normal threading, which is across, down, up, and down. This is called the take-up lever. You want to get it in the take-up, then down through the clips in the machine and through the eye of the needle. This one has a fancy needle threader, which is absolutely fabulous. Once I have threaded the machine and the presser foot is still up, you can pull the thread smoothly. You'll have a little bit of tension because it's going through the guides in the machine, but you can pull it. Once you put the presser foot down, the tension discs close onto the thread and create more pressure. Right now, I can't pull that thread. That means the tension discs located in the top have accepted the thread and are applying the proper tension. Now, just as a reminder, this tension assembly is external from the machine. It still has discs that the thread sits into, but when your presser foot is up, it will accept the thread. And same with this machine. It also has an external tension assembly. Thanks for joining me for today's tech tip from the Sewing Palace. Happy sewing!